Hello everyone, Teacher Fatima right here. I'm making this really quick video just to tell you a little bit about what VIPKID is. VIPKID is an ESL online company that allows Chinese students to learn English. So basically the company is hiring teachers from the US and Canada to teach these Chinese children English. Now, VIPKID is not hiring just teachers. The only thing you need to apply for VIPKID is a 4-year degree. If you have a 4-year degree in any field, you can go ahead and apply. Now, some of the things that you have to keep in mind is that VIPKID pays per class. Now, each class is 25 minutes. So you are going to be teaching Chinese children English classes for 25 minutes. And one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, but how? What am I going to teach? How do I know what to teach them? You don't do any of that. They do all that for you. They provide the lesson plan for you. They provide the learning objective. The only thing you have to do is you just have to bring that energy and that life and that unique thing about you to the classroom. Now, they're going to give you the lesson plan, but that does not mean you have to do exactly what it says or say exactly the things that it says. You're going to tweak it and make it your own, and that's how you become a good VIPKID teacher. Now, a lot of the people say, well, how does it work? How do I start? The first thing that you have to keep in mind is if you want to really pass and become a VIPKID teacher, you have to set up at least a week and a half at the most of time that you can really put your time and dedicate it to learning how the process and how the things work, because you're gonna have to take a couple of tests. So the first thing you have to do is after you sign, you have to make sure that you put that you have experience working with children, because that's what they want, at least 3 years of experience. So if you have volunteered or tutored or worked at a private church or a private school, or even if you haven't, just put that down. You put that at least you've done it for 3 years. Now, once you submit your sign-up form, because it's not even an application, don't think, oh, I have to submit this huge application. No, you do it quickly. You can do it from your phone. Now, you're gonna get an email to set up your interview, and that's when you're gonna have to make a decision and think if you want to do a recorded demo, which is you record the interview and you send it to them, or if you want to do a live interview. I personally recommend the live interview because you get that live interaction with them and you get to sell yourself. Now, after the interview, you will get an email saying, yay, you passed. We cannot wait to have you join our team. The next step is set up a mock class and pass a quiz. Now, once they're gonna give you all the teaching material, you go through it, and it's really very, very easy. And basically, they're preparing you for the mock class. They're giving you examples of what people do to pass this mock class. You answer 25 questions. If you fail, don't worry, because you can take it as many times as you want until you pass it. Once you pass it, you're gonna move on to the next phase, which is the mock class. Oh, the mock class can seem a little bit tense, because if you are a teacher, you're gonna feel like you're gonna be evaluated and you're gonna wanna put up a big old show. Don't stress. Have something simple in the background. There's a dollar map at the Dollar Tree. You put it as a background and you print the reward system from the PowerPoint they send you, and that's all. Now, you do need to have 2 props when you do your mock class. So an easy prop you can use is a whiteboard, so you can show, and you can also use you can print the slides and use them as a prop. Now, once you pass your mock class, you are going to get, your contract, you sign it, you upload your pictures, you upload a 30-second video, and then you can start making your own schedule. The great thing about VIPKID is that you make your own schedule, guys. You do not have to work every day. You do not have to wake up if you have a full-time job, or when I don't even have time. You have time when your kids are asleep. You have that 1 hour. Instead of scrolling down on Facebook and Instagram, you can just Teach 2 classes and make $20 a day. Who doesn't want to make $20 a day? Do the math. In 30 days, how much can you make? So keep in mind that the classes are paid for every 25 class, and the 2 classes make 1 hour. And also when they break down the pay, don't say, oh, my referral person told me it was $20 and you're telling me $7.50, $8. Yes, they're gonna tell you it's $7.50 or $8 or $8.50. It just depends on your degrees and your certifications, if you're a teacher or not. And then let's say you start at the minimum, which is like $7.50 an hour, and then plus $1 for participation, which everybody gets, because if you show up to teach the class that you opened, you get that $1. And then they give you an extra $1 if you teach at least 45 classes a month. 45 classes a month, 45 25-minute classes. It's about 21 hours, 22 hour, no, my math is horrible. Let's say 23 hours a month. How do you divide 23 hours a month? Well, if you do an hour in the morning and an hour at night, that is already 2 hours. So that's already, in 7 days, that's already, in my math, that's already what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14 hours a week. So you can get to the 45 classes a week with no problem. I mean, that's not a problem. Even if you teach 30 classes a month, they give you an incentive of 50 cents. So that's how you get to the $20 an hour. Now, once you apply for VIPKID, they are going to be very aggressive because they're wanting to hire right now at this time, because summer is around the corner and these kids in China want to have things to do, and their parents value education so much. It's amazing how the Chinese community and the parents value education and how much they value teachers. They respect teachers so much that it just brings you so much joy. And honestly, to me, it's really, really, really helped me just be grateful for the profession that I chose, because they are extremely respectful for the teachers, and they are going to be thankful for any feedback, constructive criticism, anything that you tell them. You are going to love VIPKID. You will. So if you have any questions, just give me an email, shoot me an email. My email is at the bottom, and I can help you get hired. I can help you go through the process. I can Skype with you. I can FaceTime with you. You can send me your recorded demo if you would like to, and I can tell you, what it is that maybe you can tweak. You will be learning a lot with VIPKID, and you are going to have a phenomenal, phenomenal time. Now, you can also refer teachers and make an extra money once you are a VIPKID teacher. So welcome to our big VIPKID family, and happy teaching.